Hey YouTube, I got a couple of things I was wanting to show you. Number one, the things in the shop, the Hummer's in the shop, about to take out the motor. They said they'd call me about Wednesday when they get it out so we can take some pictures of it, maybe take some video. But today, let me show you what we're going to work on today, which I'm not working on it, neither is my son, but this is my son's BMW 525, you're right over here, 525i BMW. Let me just show it to you. That, I can barely see it, but anyway, he came home and realized that he had a problem with his windshield. Something had hit it. He didn't realize what it was, but then look at this right here. Look at that right there. Not just that, but then it said whoop all the way down here. So it's not that you can put some, there he is. It's not that you can put any kind of like acrylic stuff in it. But we're going to go and take it to the shop. What's the shop?
Auto Glass Now in Pensacola.
I can't see. What?
The Auto Glass Now in Pensacola.
We are not sponsored by Auto Glass Now in Pensacola. How many calls did you make?
Two.
Two. And they were the better of the two?
Yeah, I did Safelite and they said $229.
That's about right.
That was going to their shop, not them coming to us.
Okay, 229, and then Auto Glass Now said what?
157 plus tax.
157 plus tax. Okay. Also, while we're down there, we had installed. Hold on a second.
The trim here, the molding, but we kind of messed it up.
Show them what we. Yeah, first time we ever did that. How much was the molding?
Oh, I think $30 or $40.
Off of eBay?
Auto Parts. Auto Parts website.
Okay, very specific auto parts website. Okay, but anyway, you'll look. But I mean, it was completely gone when we had gotten to it. This right here, and so even down here, it was like a gaping hole in it. So anyway, hopefully they will, when we get it back, that right there will be back to what it's supposed to. I'll take you over to the other side. I mean, it actually has gotten worse. We didn't know what we were doing. You see, it's not even in the gap here. So you can see it's just kind of coming out. So we'll see how that ends up. We'll let them know about it. And we'll also do a before and after, but just so you'll see, that's it. All right. We'll get back to you when we hit the Pensacola. All right, we just got back. Not me and Coco, but me and Jacob. I wanted to give you the exact number, and it was around 150, but with taxes 176. And we were scheduled for 4 o'clock. Now we got down there and realized they were short-handed, and so they're keeping it. They're going to do it in the morning. Good thing I went with him. Otherwise, he'd have to bring it back and go back down there because we're about 45 minutes from Pensacola. But anyway, all right. Anyway, we'll show you the result of it when we go back. I'm going to actually show you the bill right here, and as you can see, it shows the labor and it shows the labor 85, and then retail, and then they mark it down on the actual window. This urethane, I'm not really sure about, but we'll find out. They said they're going to put a new thing around the new surround, and we paid $30 for when we replaced the surround, and we messed it up. And I showed you them little places where it's all gapped up. Show them what we. Yeah. And the guy who's going to install it said, "Oh yeah, we'll take care of that." So we'll find out all that tomorrow. But you know, a windshield for less than $200 without insurance. I went and told him about my Ford Ranger, the 93 Ford Ranger. That's got a big old crack in it. He said, "Oh, it's 140. I mean, just right off the top. He knew it off the top of his head. And he said for the Hummer it would be like 160. He wasn't sure, but he was thinking we were way lower. Half priced auto glass is what it's called. And I'll send a picture. It's a big yellow building down in Pensacola, but it's a national brand. And so for some reason, they are the cheapest, and we'll find out about their quality work tomorrow, but they seem real nice. Their coffee pot, I went to get coffee, it had mold in it. That's a small thing. So obviously they don't have a lot of people in their waiting room waiting there, and obviously nobody in there drinks coffee. Otherwise, it would be fresh flowing. So anyway, we'll see that, and you'll see the end result on the next video. And just because I'm if I don't render this and send it out, then it'll never get done. And so anyway, so we'll see y'all next video. Look, brother. Look in the camera. Look in the camera. Look in the camera. Look in the camera.